Hi there everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomparada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to create a program using C programming language that will ask the user to give two numbers, and then our program will compute the product and difference of the two numbers provided by our user. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. We are here in the Dev C++ IDE, so I will write product, prod, and difference. This is the file name of our program. Let's see. Author Jake Rodriguez Pomparada. Date November 1 19. Today is 9:48 p.m. Friday. Char include library file stdio.h. Every C program we are using this one for basic input output. Next, int main. Int main is a function, the starting point of any C program execution. Int sum equals 0, product equals 0, difference equals 0, and then int for variables a equals 0, gamma b equals 0, another variable. This variable will store the input from the user. This one is to perform the computation of product and difference of A and B. Print \t, now \, new line, the new line, print, printf \t product and difference of two numbers in C. Okay, let us copy. We will make our program simpler, guys. Printf give \t give two numbers. Scanf %d. We are using %d because it is an integer, comma %a and %b. Semicolon. Now here we have your product equals a multiply b, difference equals a minus b, and then we'll copy this. Printf \t the product of %d and %d is %d, a comma b comma product, new line, the difference between percentage is So we are just change this to the word difference. Printf and of the program that tells the user the program is already ended. Now let us recap now the things that we have done already. Now, so we have here from line 1 to 4 comment. It contains the file name of the program, the author, and then the date. Line 6 for library file for input output in C standard stdio.h refers to standard input output. And then line number 9 is function, main function, the starting point of program execution. And then here variable declaration in line 11 and 12, title of program, line 15. Line 17, it will ask to input values from the user A and B, and then line 20 to 21, perform multiplication and subtraction, difference in product. And then line 24 to 26, display the result on the screen. Sorry guys, I have a cough right now, no? 928, termination of our program. So let us save our work. Right click, new folder, product, and difference in C. Product underscore def .c. Save, compile and run. Give two numbers 5 and 4. The product of 5 and 4 is 20. The difference between 5 and 4 is 1. End of program. Okay, so let us run again for second time around. Run. Product and difference of two numbers in C. Give two numbers 100 and 10. The product of 110 is 1000. The difference between 110 is 90. And a program. So we have already done running, testing, and debugging our program entitled product and difference of two numbers in C. Before we end, I would like to thank you guys for the support for my new subscriber and always following my video tutorials in my YouTube channel. I really appreciate guys your patronage. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So this is Jake Rodriguez Pomprada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next tutorial, bye bye for now.